In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your payment method on Vrbo. Whether you're new to the platform or simply need a refresher, I'll break down the steps to ensure that your payment information is up to date and secure. Managing your payment methods effectively is crucial, especially if you're hosting or frequently booking stays. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Vrbo account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of your dashboard. Here, you'll find the menu that houses all your important navigation options. From this menu, locate and click on the option labeled Payments. This section is your go-to area for managing all financial transactions related to your Vrbo activities. After clicking on Payments, you'll see another option called Payout Accounts. Go ahead and select this. This page is specifically designed for you to manage where your payouts are directed, and it's where you can update or change your bank details if necessary. Now, if you need to add new bank details, this is where you'll do it. Having the correct bank information is essential to ensure that any earnings from bookings are deposited into the right account. It's always a good idea to double check your bank details and make sure everything is entered accurately. This includes your bank account number and the routing number if needed. If you're unsure about any of these numbers, it's best to check with your bank to ensure accuracy. Once you've added your bank details, Vrbo may ask you to verify your information. This step is crucial for security reasons as it helps protect both you and the platform from fraudulent activities. You might receive a small deposit from Vrbo into your bank account that you'll need to confirm. This process usually takes a couple of days, so keep an eye on your bank statements for any small transactions that might appear. After verification, your new payment method will be set up and you're all done. This will ensure that any future payments are directed to the correct account without any issues. Remember, keeping your payment information up to date on platforms like Vrbo is not just about convenience. It's also a part of maintaining financial security and ensuring smooth transactions. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your payment method on Vrbo. I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to make adjustments to your payment details. Thanks for watching and happy hosting or booking on Vrbo.